name is Jamie Turner. I'm really glad you're here with me today. I'm an author, a speaker, and a CEO, and I want to talk today about the secret to marketing. Now, in order to make the point I'm about to make, I'm going to ask you to do a little bit of math and to follow along with something I'm about to do. It's a magic trick designed to help you understand the secret to marketing. You ready to get started? Let's dive in. Here's the thing I want you to do, is I want you to pick a number between 1 and 10, can be any number. Okay, got a number? Now I want you to multiply that number by 9, all right? That's as hard as the math gets, so from this point on it's pretty easy. So you pick a number between 1 and 10, now you multiply that number by 9, now you've got a number, right? Now that number is either a single digit number. If it is, great, hang on to that number. If it's a double digit number, I want you to add the 2 digits in that number together, okay? Now you have a new number. Take that number you've got, and I want you to subtract 5, okay? Now I want you to correlate that new number with a letter in the alphabet, A being 1, B being 2, C being 3, okay? So now you have a letter, right? Now I want you to think of a country that begins with that letter, okay? Any country. Now I want you to take that country's name, and I want you to go to the second letter in that country's name, and I want you to think of an animal that begins with that letter, and I want you to think of a color you associate with that animal. And let me ask you a question. Are you thinking about a gray elephant in Denmark? Isn't that cool? Now I use this when I speak at audiences around the globe to illustrate a key point about marketing, which is that in order for marketing to work, you have to get inside the mind of your consumer and work backwards from there. In other words, you've got to know what your consumer's thinking in order to sell your product or service. When you know what your consumer's thinking, then you can figure out how to package up your product or service so that it appeals to them very well. My name is Jamie Turner. I'm an author, a speaker, and a CEO. I hope that was helpful to you. It should illustrate the key point I wanted to make, which is that in order to win at marketing, you have to get inside the mind of your prospects and think backwards from there. And if you do that, you're going to sell more stuff, more often, to more customers, and that's good business. My name's Jamie Turner. I'll catch you next time.
Ah, yes. Well, looky here, ah, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf in sheep's clothing, 'cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so.